What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make Google your default password manager on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and here click on passwords, passkeys and autofill. Now to make Google your default password manager, tap on preferred service and from here choose Google, and then it will show a pop-up which says make sure you trust this app. So if you trust Google app, then tap on OK, otherwise tap on cancel, and then the Google will be set as your default password manager on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.